Hey y'all, Kevin and James here with lazypondfarm Fish and Hunt. Today we're doing a wild game lunch. Here we've got Canadian goose legs on a chicken leg cooker. The Canadian legs are a little tall, so we've got the cooker up on some bricks here so they aren't dragging the grill. We're doing some fried fish and some homemade potato chips. Stick around and check it out. These things are coming out of the oil perfect, nice and crispy. So now we're dropping some mahi in the oil here. This mahi was caught about 50-60 miles off the coast of North Carolina. Oh yeah. That fish is starting to get golden. It's about time to pull it out. Oh yeah, here we got a little mahi and the crappie fillet. About to drop some more crappie in the oil. Dropping in some more crappie. Oh yeah, looking good. Got a couple more fillets there. How do y'all like that fried mahi? Is it good?
Yeah.
Good stuff? Let me see what you got, William. Show me that piece. Is it good?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah? You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
We got a little bit of leg piece.
Matt's pulling that crappie out. Looking good. Now what's a fish fry without some good old hush puppies? Oh yeah. Legs looking real good here. Let's get one more round of barbecue sauce on them. Got to do a little garlic bread too. Getting that garlic butter spread on the toast here, right here on the grill. Everything's looking good. Yeah. Can't argue with a wild game lunch. Got a goose leg, crappie fillet, homemade potato chips, beans, garlic bread done on the grill, and homemade ranch. Thank y'all for watching. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.